Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background in CapCut PC apps. So after you import your clip to the CapCut and just select drag to the track. So to remove the background, it's very simple, and just select cutout, and for this kind of the clip, I think you can select the auto cutout. As you can see, the background has been removed automatically. Has been removed. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. So thank you so much for watching.